Hello, today I'm doing a review on a product that was sent to me from Amazon, and this is a diamond painting project. So what this is they're calling it a remote control holder. So let's open this up and look at it. Now, I've done reviews for this company before, and I really like them. They've got tons of things to choose from. They have got off-canvas projects. They have got, let's see, they've got 6-pack of diamond paintings. They have got mystery boxes or mystery bags to where you when you order it, you don't know what you're getting. You're just going to get like 10 or 12 random diamond paintings, and it is so much fun. Those are my favorite kind of reviews to do. I mean, because they are just, you have no idea what you're getting. So it's a mystery. It's like Christmas. But this is a remote control holder, and as you can see, it comes with your tools. It comes with a little bitty tiny screwdriver and the screws, and then this just holds it together. Now you're going to get your standard toolkit, which is the green boat, the square of wax, and a pink single placer pen. Here are all of the drills, the crystals, special shapes that's going to go on this. So let's look at them. So we've got some orange and gold. There's some purple. There's like a red, green, blue. That is like a yellow green. We've got silver. And then we have the special shapes, which we have these. Those are really pretty. Look at those. And then we've got some yellow rounds. Those are gorgeous. So, let's look at the project. So it is wooden, okay. Let me get this bag open. So all of your pieces are here. This is going to be the outside of the holder. And these on the back are sticky. So you're going to pull this. When you get done with this, you're just going to pull the plastic back. If I can get a hold of it. And that is like really sticky. So you're going to put the backing, or you're going to put this on these. So you would just take and line those holes up, because this has got a hole there and there, and you're going to line them up and you're going to stick it on there. Well, I guess you could go ahead and put this on there and then do your diamond painting. I don't think it really would matter, but this has got a protective cover over it. And then it's going to be sticky only where the diamonds go. So what you're going to do is you're going to, here's your first bag. It's number 1. You're going to go on here and you're going to find all the ones and you're going to put those on there. So if you have never diamond painted before, you would just open the bag, pour them in the tray, shake your tray, because it's got ridges in it. It's going to flip those crystals over. Then you're going to take your pen, you're going to dip it into this wax, and then you're going to take your pen, touch the top of your crystal, and it's going to stick to your pen, and then you're going to place it where it's supposed to go. And since this is sticky with glue, it's going to hold it, and it'll take it off the pen, and it's going to stay right there on the pattern. Alright, so you've got 2 of these, which are the sides. You've got this as the bottom. You've got these, and then you have these. Now, there are no instructions, so I would probably tell the company that maybe they need to put a set of really easy to read instructions in with this, because not everybody's going to be able to figure out how to do this. But if you look at the little places, you know that this is going to be the bottom because it's flat. So you're just going to line these up just like that. They just go right there into the slot. Then you're going to get your next piece. I'm going to say it's going to go right there. Or I guess it could go right there. Well, they're the same, so it doesn't matter. So you've got those in there. This has got 2. So that's going to go right in there. Then you've got this. Well, it's too tall for that. So you're going to put it down here. This is the short one. So it's going to go right there. Okay. Then you're going to take your other side and you're going to just line all of this up. Let me find my spot here. Okay. I'm going to get everything lined up because I should be able to just push it down on there. But we got to have everything lined up. Or am I doing this wrong? Maybe. No, they should all line up. It's not hard to put together. It's maybe I'm wondering if I have this correct. Okay, let's try this. Like I said, this is not hard. Let me just make sure that there's not a difference in these. I think I'm just not pushing it hard enough. Okay. Let's try this again. Y'all, promise this is not hard. I think what it is I am just not pushing it hard enough to get it to go into the hose. Okay, so we've got that. Y'all, the boys just ran in here with their squeaker ball. So I apologize for the noise. Alright, hold on. Okay, sorry, I had to take the ball from him. Alright, let's try this again. I think what it is I am not pushing in hard enough. And I just need to get these just right. I'm just wondering if I've got them in far enough. I think so. I apologize, y'all are having to see me struggle, because I promise this is not hard. There we go. Just had to get one of them in there. Oops. Okay, there we go. Yay! Okay, so at least you know once it gets together, it's not going to fall apart easily. So you are going to take your tools. You've got 4 little screws and you've got these bars. Okay, so whoop, what this is for is like to keep it sturdy, I do believe. So you're going to line this up. You're going to put your screw in there. Yeah, because this is what's going to keep them together so that you don't have to worry about it popping off. And then you get your other one and you're going to stick it in on this side. And you're just going to screw that in. Now, you're going to have, before you put the screws in, you're going to have to put this together or do your diamonds on here. And you're going to lay that on there because that screw, you can see it right there. It's going to have to go in through the diamond painting. So it's going to look like that. You see that? So you're going to want to do this first. Then, once you get this put together, then you're going to take this and you're going to lay it up there. Because you're going to take that back off where it's sticky and you're going to put it on there. So what I said a while ago about putting these on first, don't do it. Because you're going to have to be able to see where to line these up at. So when you're completely finished with it, you've got slots. You can use it to, you know, put an ink pen in. If you've got like a little Post-it notes, you got your TV controller, you got your Roku controller, you got your satellite controller, your, I don't know, any kind of remotes. If you have a stereo or lights, whatever, you can put all your remotes in here, a pen, some sticky notes. But this company, I'm going to leave a link in my description box for y'all to check out. They've got a lot of different stuff now, and they do have some sales going on, and this has also got 10 different ones to choose from. Now, the one that I chose is called Floral, okay? But they have got 10 different designs to choose from. They've got animals, they've got sea, floral, there's just a lot of different ones. So, link is in my description box. And y'all, this is not hard to put together. You just gotta manhandle it a little bit, okay? So, all right. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do appreciate you watching. Thanks.